Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. In this first video of 2022, I'm doing a demonstration of the cloud dip technique. You can find the hints and tips I have for you for this technique in the description box, along with the list of colors that I've used. And stay to the end for close-ups of the wet results. The dry results will be on my Instagram page because unfortunately it's not quite dry in order to get this video out to you in time. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know what you thought, and Happy New Year!
Hear the songs above my head, they are nearly faded. Every day I'm unafraid to be the last who made it.
When I sound the drums of war, unable to admit it, you were there to fill my home, to gain a sense of fairness.
Turn to stone, but when it comes to love, we're not alone. Sometimes I miss my voice in the depth of hunger. There's a way to calm the noise, scare the mystery monger. What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We live it. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive in the nighttime. There's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. We come alive.
So here we have the wet results. This is the overall look. Super, super happy with this. I think it looks really cool. Kind of has a melancholy feel that really appeals to me. So I'm gonna take you in for the close-up here. The horizon line turned out so great. I'm so excited about how that turned out. I used a piece of yarn intentionally because it's kind of fuzzy. So I didn't want just a straight line. I wanted some texture to it, and it definitely gave me that. And again, this cloud dip, the cloud mix is opaque, the base color is transparent, and they just react beautifully together. Look at, there we go. Look at the details in that. Isn't that so cool? I really love it. And of course I used the metal skewer to draw in some extra little texture for like maybe grasses growing up and that kind of thing. This balloon dip tree is beautiful. It almost like has a bloom in the center of it. Really super happy with how that turned out too. And I love the transparency there of that green through the cloud mix, how it's almost like a gray color. So beautiful. A little bit of flocculation there, that's really cool. Sometimes that's a good thing. I really actually kind of like it judiciously in the painting. The trunk on that turned out really cool. Looks almost like a bonsai. And then these trees on this side all kind of grouped together that I did with the paper napkin. Look at these puffy effects that creates. So cool and just beautiful. Look at that. I'll get right in there close. I love that. That trunk turned out really cool too. Little bush right there on the ground. Some more grass. Another tree. That one did a couple of finger dips to change the shape a little bit, just so it still looked like a tree. The grasses over here look great. Another little shrub, kind of a short little tree. And then one last big one on the edge. I think they all turned out great. Really super happy with that. So there we go. And I'll show you this when it's dry. Fairly thin paint, so it should be dry by tomorrow morning, I'm thinking. And yeah, I'll think of a name for it. It was kind of, I wanted this to be very simple, and my intention for the year, setting my intention for the year to do my own thing. That's why the tree is off by itself. So maybe that's what I'll call it. Do your own thing. That's what I'm gonna call this one. And set my intention for 2022. So stay tuned for the dry results. Happy New Year. And thanks for watching. Hope to see you here again sometime soon.